I'd like to welcome you all to Our Voices, that's a little word writing workshop. This is the first one in our series for this particular year. We did a great, amazing series last year that culminated in the festival that actually happened right outside here in April. So shout out to the Community Foundation of Broward, which is an amazing partner for us in helping support the work that Our Trails Project does on a continuous basis, bringing arts and creativity and literature to our communities. So, today we're going to start it. So same thing, we're going to end up in April, right back here, doing an amazing time. And some of you who are here today can potentially be up on that stage. We have some people that are here that were on the stage with us last year. Well, I guess it's not last year, it's this year, but it's the last one, however you want to call that. So we're excited, it's going to be great. So we're glad you're here. I want to start off with a little warm up. And so that warm up is going to be super simple, I guess. Like we're just listening to this music, but I'm going to actually play the second song that's on this particular album. And it's called Colors. And so I kind of just want to let the song play and just you yourself kind of jot down, right? Stream of consciousness, flow, whatever happens to you as you listen to this song, let it happen. It may just be a word or two, or it may end up being just something that just flows voluminously out of your hands.
My mind is yellow, is Sanders green, a vibrant violet, a veranda flower bloom.
I reached out to Darius about, actually we were just having a conversation. And then we ended up talking about writing. And he said, I'm having my workshop this weekend. I said, well, go. So I'm here to try to get myself open again to even write for myself. That's not really even happening.
Been provided with some connections to do things like content creation, which is all in the vein of writing, right? So,
Group of color-coordinated brothers, hopping and stomping and swinging canes. The fine-ass sisters ashamed on their way to class to be one of the only few in the room on the surface that is, but the ancestors have that thing swole. Our show is and black. Everywhere I go, and I know race is a construct, and it has been built, and this building has built me, almost killed me, and can't help but be black. They see it, wanna be it, wanna scratch it from the earth's surface, questions its purpose, but try to take bites when they deem appropriate. James Ball was black, Wayne black.
My bag I carry home wherever I go, willing to let go of items and acquire new ones. Incense, oils, elixirs, potions to stimulate the olfactory and spirit. Loose-fitting garments to move swiftly or gently. The aroma of the unknown billows through zipper lines and take me like smoke in the wind.